Riendekithia riria riaheanitwo ni kambuni ya utambia wa thitima Kenya Power tariki 31 mweri wa gatatu mwaka uyu rirarongoreirie gucenjia marihi ma thitima na thogora wa thitima ungirabatirire iguru kuma tariki 1 mweri wa Julai guthie nginyagia mweri wa gatandatu mwaka wa 2029. KPLC irabangite gwetha njira ya kuongerera mbeca iria yonaga na uguo ni ngiranyihirie mbeca iria huthagira guthairira Akenya aria matahuthagira thitima nyingi na korwo mendekithia maya ni marakinyaniire andu aria mahuthagira thi wa unit imwe ya thitima hari muthenya umwe thogora ni ungirabatirire nginyagia ciringi 14 hari o kilowati 30 no riu mubango uyu ni wambite kweherio ni thirikari.
Following the withdrawal of the application, the current retail electricity tariffs shall remain in force and unchanged unless otherwise lawfully reviewed in accordance with the Energy Act.
Minista wa HINYA wa THITIMA OPIYO WANDAYI augite ati ni kurari na MIARIO gatagati ka ANYITI ITEMI matiganite na kuragia na uiguano wa riendekithia riri rieherio niguo guteithiriria wonjoria wa bururi gukura na guthairira Kenya aria mahuthagira thitima na njira citiganite.
This decision reflects the need to buttress a sustainable energy sector while protecting live households, businesses, and industries from possible cost escalation. It aims to support economic growth, safeguard livelihoods, and create jobs.
Hamwe na uguo Wandayi ni ainyireirie bata wa watho kuhuthika na kinyi hindi iria kurabatara gutafanio mogaruruku hari marihi ma thitima.
Any review of electricity tariffs is subject to a clear legal and regulatory process. This includes first and foremost the submission of an application for the review to EPRA, technical evaluation, stakeholder consultations, and public participation before any tariff adjustment can be considered or approved.
Na kana itua ria thirikari kwaga kuyukia riendekithia ria kwambatiria thogora wa thitima ni riguthingithia utambia wa thitima ni undu Wandayi eheretie nganja akiuga ati Akenya maguthie na mbere na kwamukira thitima hatari na gatithio.
Consumers and businesses wherever they are should continue to enjoy uninterrupted access to electricity under the current tariff structure. Asanteni.
Hadwine ha Kameme TV retore kwa nikimani wagojiria.